Hi everybody. So finally the day has come and the local delivery partner has called me and informed that the Mini 3 Pro has reached. So quite excited for today. So all of you those who don't know, so I'm Wasim and welcome to Wild Focus, my channel. The drive is gonna be around half an hour. So let's go. We have reached the delivery center. Slightly drizzling. Okay, I'll get the packaging. Finally, the DJI Mini 3 Pro. So you can see the size of the package. DJI Mini 3 Pro is here. The drone. And we have the RC remote with the LCD screen. We have the usual instruction pamphlets, 2 pairs of extra propellers, and the charging cord. So it's about to rain, so let's move on to the next location for trying out the drone. Okay, so let's try to get this shot right now. So it's my first attempt with drones. Obviously I was into photography for probably 19 to 20 years. So let's see, but in the initial impression, yes, DJI seems to be very user friendly with minimal knowledge required.